Hi, I'm Scott Hall, and this is the Moroso Minute. Today, the Moroso Pan-Evac system. Looking for an economical way to make crankcase vacuum? This is it. What's cool about this is we utilize the exhaust flow coming out of the collector with this nipple that's welded in. Now, what's neat about this is when you put it in, the air goes by, creates a low pressure in the nipple, goes in at a 45-degree angle, typically about 1/4 of an inch down below the tube. Now, it may take some moving around and some R&D to find out what works best, but you can get about 5 to 6 inches of vacuum from it. This is an inline check valve that threads on the end of this. What's critical about this part is if you ever have a backfire in the exhaust, this will stop it from going inside the engine, but it is a consumable item, so it's got to get looked at and maintained properly. It also helps make more vacuum in the engine. The last part is the breather. This thing keeps the oil from trailing back into the collector and putting white smoke out. This too needs to be sealed up well. Critical part about this, it does not go in cars with full exhaust systems. It is not recommended. Any questions, comment below or go to moroso.com.